Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we bring the best tech products to your attention. Today we are comparing two popular microphones, HyperX SoloCast and MAONO USB XLR podcasting dynamic microphone. If you're in the market for a new microphone, stick around and let's dive into the comparison. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech reviews and comparisons. Both microphones have a cardioid polar pattern to reduce background noise and capture clear sound. SoloCast has a high-res 24-bit 96 kHz recording for studio-level sound, while MAONO HD 300T has a smooth and extended frequency response for natural vocal reproduction. Both microphones deliver great sound quality. However, MAONO HD 300T has an outstanding mid-frequency curve, which makes it more suitable for vocal recording. HyperX SoloCast comes with a USB-C connection, which makes it more compatible with modern laptops and desktops. It also has boom arm and mic stand threading to fit with most mic stands. MAONO HD 300T, on the other hand, has both USB and XLR connections, making it easy to switch between devices. The XLR analog output provides a stable connection for a mixer or portable PA system. So, if you need to connect to different devices for recording, MAONO HD 300T is the more versatile option. HyperX SoloCast is a plug-and-play device that is very simple to use. It has a tap-to-mute sensor with an LED status indicator, which makes muting easier. The flexible, adjustable stand is also a plus, allowing for comfortable positioning. MAONO HD 300T has a switch button for control of recording status and volume button for adjusting headphone monitor volume to ensure perfect audio output. The USB podcast microphone also comes with a 3.5mm headphone real-time monitoring feature, allowing for zero latency monitoring. Both microphones score well on ease of use, but the tap-to-mute sensor feature on the SoloCast makes it slightly easier to use. Both microphones have a durable and robust metal construction for stability. MAONO HD 300T comes with a height-adjustable metal tube which is stronger than ordinary plastic tubes and easily supports heavy microphones. It also includes shock mounts and pop filters for reducing pops. HyperX SoloCast has a versatile built-in mount adapter which fits 3/8" and 5/8" threads, making it compatible with most mic stands or boom arms. Both microphones have great durability and design features, with MAONO HD 300T winning on versatility. And that's a wrap. Both microphones are great options depending on your preferences. HyperX SoloCast is more straightforward and easy to use, while MAONO HD 300T is more versatile and suitable for those who need to connect to different devices. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons.